Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Darkwood Bushcraft. Today we are going to be testing a knockoff version of the Silky Gomboy saw, which is a folding saw that is favoured by a lot of bushcrafters. I don't actually have a Silky Gomboy to compare it with, but instead I've brought along my Silky Ultra Acel, which essentially has an identical blade to the Gomboy anyway. This is the curved version. They do a curved and a straight version, but the teeth are essentially exactly the same, so there's very little difference between the two. So I'm going to compare the Ultra Acel and how well it cuts with the Chinese version of the Gomboy. Now I have no idea how this is going to go, but looking at the teeth of this thing, I'm going to say fairly badly. If this doesn't fall apart while I'm using it, I'll be fairly surprised. This was £5 off of Amazon. In the picture, looks just like a Gomboy, but obviously when you get it, it's flimsy and not particularly impressive, but we'll give it a go. So I'm going to have a go at cutting through this with the Chinese one first, and then we'll have a look and see what the Silky does. So without further ado, let's see what happens. Here we go. Well, it cuts. It seems to cut equally badly in both directions. As you can see, it's sticking as well as I work. Yeah, I'm more or less going to give up at this point with this one. Just to give you some idea, I'm knackered. Just to give you some idea, I'm going to show you how it works with the Silky. Here we go. Now price wise, this is about 10 times the price, but to be honest, it's worth it. Happy trails.